Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 baby strollers in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading baby stroller that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Baby Trend Range Jogger Stroller in the Millennium Edition. Buckle up because we've got all the deets on this sleek ride for your little one. The front swivel wheel locks for stability when you need it and glides effortlessly when you're on the move. Whether you're strolling through the park or tackling uneven terrain, this jogger's got your back. Those all-terrain composite tires mean business. From gravel paths to grassy fields, this stroller can handle it all. Plus, the ergonomic rubber handle ensures a comfy grip during those long walks. Say hello to the parent tray. It's got not one, but 2 cup holders and a covered compartment for your essentials. No more juggling your coffee and keys, we've got you covered. Little passengers get their own cup holders too. And here's the cool part, this stroller accepts a Baby Trend infant car seat. Yep, it transforms into a travel system for seamless transitions from car to stroller. Polyester fabric with a sleek design, the Millennium Edition is all about that modern vibe. It's like the stroller version of your favorite athleisure wear. In conclusion, so there you have it, folks. The Baby Trend Range Jogger Stroller, where style meets practicality. Hit that subscribe button and let's roll into parenting adventures together. Number 4. The Evenflo Pivot Modular Travel System with LiteMax Infant Car Seat. Buckle up as we explore its features, comfort, and convenience. The Evenflo Pivot is all about convenience. With a lightweight car seat and stroller combo, it's perfect for on-the-go parents. Plus, the LiteMax Infant Car Seat comes with an anti-rebound bar for added safety. This travel system offers a modular frame with 6 modes. You can face your baby in or out, switch from an infant car seat to stroller seat, or even use it as a carriage. Versatility at its finest. Need your baby to stretch out? No problem. The carriage mode allows your little one to fully recline and get comfy during those strolls. Say goodbye to fussy rides. Safety first. The LiteMax Infant Car Seat includes an integrated belt lock-off system, ensuring secure installation in a snap. You'll have peace of mind every time you hit the road. The Evenflo Pivot comes with an oversized storage basket, rugged cruiser tires, a parent cup holder, and a child snack tray. Everything you need for a smooth ride. Number 3. The Jeep Unlimited Reversible Handle Stroller in Grey Tweed. Whether you're a seasoned parent or a first-timer, this stroller promises to make your outings a breeze. Let's explore its features, comfort, and safety. The Jeep Unlimited Stroller is designed for infants who can sit unassisted up to 50 pounds. Its reversible handle lets you choose between parent-facing or forward-facing mode. Plus, it doubles as a travel system when paired with compatible car seats. Worried about compatibility? Fear not. This stroller works seamlessly with popular infant car seats like the Graco SnugRide, Click Connect 30, 35, 40, Evenflo Nurture, and Evenflo Embrace. Easy transitions from car to stroller? Check. The extendable European-style canopy shields your little one from the sun. The reclining seat offers 3 positions, and the adjustable footrest ensures a cozy ride. Need to dash through airports or fit the stroller in your trunk? No problem. The Jeep Unlimited folds down quickly and compactly. Maneuverability matters. The 7-inch front swivel lock wheels and 8 shock-absorbing back wheels ensure a smooth journey. Linked brakes lock both rear wheels with a single pedal press. In conclusion, in summary, the Jeep Unlimited reversible handle stroller combines practicality, comfort, and safety. Whether you're strolling through the park or navigating busy streets, this gray tweed beauty has your back. Number 2. The Summer Infant 3D Mini Convenience Stroller in the delightful shade of pink. The 3D Mini is a featherweight champ, tipping the scales at just 11 pounds. Its sturdy steel frame ensures durability without compromising on portability. Perfect for parents on the move. Little ones ride in style with a full-size seat and a 5-point harness. The adjustable shoulder straps grow with your child, while the padded seat back offers cozy support during strolls. Shield your kiddo from those UV rays. The canopy features a pop-out sun visor, providing extra coverage when needed. No more squinting eyes on sunny days. Maneuverability matters, and the 3D Mini delivers. Anti-shock front wheels glide effortlessly, while the lockable rear wheels keep things steady. Say goodbye to bumpy rides. 2 cup holders? Check. Rear storage pocket? Check. Cushioned handlebars? Check. And that spacious storage basket? You won't have to leave anything behind, not even that extra snack. In conclusion, in summary, the Summer Infant 3D Mini Convenience Stroller is your trusty sidekick for travel, errands, and everyday adventures. Lightweight, comfy, and packed with features, it's a win-win for both you and your little explorer. Number 1. The Baby Trend Easy Ride 35 travel system in the gorgeous Sophia design. If you're a new parent or expecting, stick around because we've got all the details you need. First up, let's talk convenience. The Baby Trend Easy Ride 35 stroller features an easy one-hand fold mechanism. Trust me, when you're juggling bags, snacks, and a squirmy kiddo, this feature is a game-changer. The height-adjustable handle is a blessing for parents of different heights. Plus, the parent console, complete with 2 cup holders and covered storage. Now, let's chat about sun coverage. The adjustable canopy shields your little one from UV rays, and the large peekaboo window lets you keep an eye on them without disturbing their nap. Comfort matters, right? The Baby Trend Easy Ride 35 offers multiple reclining positions for your kiddo. Whether they're sitting up to explore or leaning back for a snooze, they'll be cozy. Safety is non-negotiable. Both the stroller and the included Ally 35 infant car seat feature 5-point safety harnesses. Buckle up, little one. And yes, it's latch-equipped for easy installation. In conclusion, so, there you have it, the Baby Trend Easy Ride 35 travel system in Sophia. Quality, comfort, and style all rolled into one. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.